record.
Okay.
Hand me my video camera. Shh. Can I take a video
Darcy,
camera?
tell them to be quiet. She's...
Seth.
She's pecking us. She done got mad. She's pecking our windows.
Not. Whoa! I'm so down.
Be still. She can't reach us.
Wow.
Cause we're... Oh, she's trying to eat the
Here, Caitlin. Wesley wants to see it. Get him.
Now, don't you roll my window down.
I'm not going to roll your window down with that baby over there.
Carly, you might need to hold that baby.
What is it?
I don't like it anymore.